If nobody ever taught you about money, this video is for you. Financial literacy is not about trying to get rich quick. It's not about complicated spreadsheets or stock market jargon. It's about understanding how money works, so it stops controlling you. You don't need a finance degree to build wealth. You don't need to earn six figures. What you do need? Small, consistent habits. In today's video, I'm breaking down 8 tiny habits that can completely change the way you think about money and quietly build real wealth over time. These are simple, practical shifts that anyone can start today. Let's generate alpha. Reading just one finance headline per day is one of the simplest ways to build financial literacy without feeling overwhelmed. You don't need to analyze charts or understand every economic term. You're simply training your brain to stay aware of what's happening in the world of money. Over time, you'll start recognizing patterns. Interest rate changes, inflation trends, market reactions, company earnings, government policies. These headlines slowly build context. And most importantly, they help you move from being reactive with your finances to being informed. Instead of watching traditional negative news, switch to financial news. Your bank account will thank you. Tracking every expense for just 2 minutes a day builds financial literacy because it forces awareness. Most people don't just have a spending problem, they have a visibility problem. When you quickly log on to your banking app and see what you spent money on, you start to see patterns, subscriptions you forgot about, impulse purchases, how often you eat out. That awareness changes behavior naturally. You begin connecting daily decisions to long-term goals. Over time, you understand cash flow, budgeting, and spending triggers without needing complex systems. Financial literacy isn't only about investing. It starts with knowing where your money actually goes. 2 minutes of tracking builds clarity, and clarity builds control. Practicing $0 days, days where you intentionally spend nothing, is a powerful way to build financial discipline. It shifts your mindset from constant consumption to intentional living. When you choose not to spend, even for just 1 day a week, you start questioning habits. Do I actually need this? Am I buying out of boredom, convenience, or emotion? That pause builds self-control, which is a core part of financial literacy. Very quickly, you realize that money isn't meant to be spent automatically. It's meant to be directed. $0 days teach you that you can enjoy life without always opening your wallet, and that awareness strengthens your ability to manage money with purpose rather than impulse. Automating your savings is a powerful financial habit because it removes emotion and inconsistency from the equation. Instead of saving what's left over at the end of the month, you pay yourself first, automatically. That simple shift builds financial literacy by teaching you how to prioritize future goals over short-term spending. You begin to understand cash flow, income allocation, and delayed gratification without constantly thinking about it. Automation also creates consistency, and consistency is what builds wealth over time. When savings happen in the background, you're not relying on motivation or discipline. You're building a system. Investing small, starting early, and staying consistent is a powerful financial habit because it shifts you from thinking like a spender to thinking like an owner. You don't need large amounts of money to begin. Even small investments teach you how markets move, how compound growth works, and how to manage risk. Starting early gives your money time to grow, but it also gives you time to learn. You'll experience ups and downs, understand volatility, and build confidence without risking everything at once. Financial literacy isn't just theoretical knowledge, it's hands-on experience. Checking your net worth monthly is a powerful financial habit because it shifts your focus from income alone to overall financial health. Your net worth, what you own minus what you owe, gives you a clear snapshot of progress. Instead of guessing how you're doing financially, You see the numbers in black and white. Over time, you begin to understand how assets grow, how debt impacts you, and how your daily financial decisions affect the bigger picture. Watching that number change each month builds awareness and accountability. It teaches you that wealth isn't about what you earn, it's about what you keep and grow. Spending money on a skill is one of the smartest financial habits you can build because it turns an expense into an investment. Unlike buying things that depreciate, investing in skills, whether it's learning about investing, improving your career expertise, or building a side income, increases your earning potential over time. When you view money as a tool to upgrade yourself, you start understanding return on investment in a practical way. Financial literacy is also about knowing how to grow your income strategically. By spending on skills, you build confidence, adaptability, and the ability to create more financial opportunities for yourself. Following three credible finance creators is a powerful financial habit because it keeps you consistently exposed to smart money conversations in a way that feels accessible. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, you absorb insights gradually, from market updates and investing basics to budgeting strategies and company earnings. Over time, you'll notice your confidence growing and your ability to question financial decisions improving. Financial literacy isn't built in isolation, it's shaped by the information you consume daily. Surrounding yourself with trustworthy financial perspectives helps you think more critically and make more informed money choices. Financial literacy isn't built in one big breakthrough moment. It's built in small, consistent actions. None of these 8 habits require a finance degree, a high income, or hours of research. They require awareness, 2 minutes of tracking, 1 headline a day, small investments, simple systems. Over time, these tiny habits compound into confidence, clarity, and control. And that's the real goal, not just making money, but understanding it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more money tips and company earnings updates, please like and subscribe. Until next time, keep earning, keep saving, and keep investing. This is not financial advice, just my personal opinions. Make sure you consider your own risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial situation before making any investment decisions.